Nice race. It was really close. No shame in coming in second place.
Second place? What are you talking about?
Nothing really. Lassie and I just thought it might be fun to do a race between you and us, and... Huh? It's a postcard from Harvey? Woohoo! Lassie, look!
Say hello to your mom. Bye. Race you tomorrow, then.
Bye! Dear Zoe and Lassie, how are you? How's everything back home? My winter vacation with my cousin here in the Caribbean is fantastic.
78 degrees and sunny every day. I miss you guys tons, but will somehow try to brave my way through it by lying on the beach and going snorkeling every day.
Okay, we'll take loads of pictures to taunt you with. See you soon and hugs to both of you, Harvey. Mom, the mail's here! And look, I got a postcard from Harvey!
Oh, how's his vacation going?
Looks great. Maybe a little too great.
And just think, while he's soaking up rays on a beach, we're here bracing for another major snowstorm.
Oh, wait, there's more. P.S. Lassie, take good care of Zoe while I'm gone. Remind her not to do anything dangerous because I won't be around to save her. Ha! Him save me? Oh, please. Is he serious?
Oh, he's just teasing you. Oh, no, I was afraid of this.
What is it?
Something urgent for your dad, but he's working late getting ready for the storm, and I'm scheduled for surgery at the clinic in half an hour.
Don't worry, Mom. Lassie and I can run it over to him. Come on, Lassie.
Zoe, wait! Just make sure you get back here before the storm hits.
Don't worry, Mom.
Don't worry. Yeah, right.
Go, Lassie, faster.
Any ideas how to pass the time?
I plan to pass the time just trying to stay warm.
Not a bad thought, but it doesn't exactly scream fun, does it? It would be nice if we could figure out a way to stay warm and have fun.
Huh? That's it! We can keep warm by dancing! We'll throw ourselves a winter party! All we need to do is hook up that old radio, find some music, throw in a little atmospheric lighting, and then we run our way right through the cold!
Hurry up! Let's do it!
Dad, we've got an urgent letter.
Ranger station, please hold. Yes, the blizzard is going to hit us in the next couple of hours. It's rolling in from the northeast, much earlier than expected, so you'll have to fly over. Wait, Ranger station, please hold. Brian, the National Weather Center is now predicting a level 3 storm. Get every available man down here as soon as... You can be here in under 30? Great. See you then. Roger. You've got to fly over Mount Pellegrin and do a final sweep for any stray skiers left on the slopes. Got that? I said you've got to fly over Mount Pellegrin and do a final sweep for any stray skiers left on the slopes. Hello? Listen, you need to head home immediately. Got that? Great.
Hello, are you receiving news? I'm on the Paldo Road. I found a wolf cub caught in a poultry trap. Can someone help, please? I don't
Hello, ma'am. Head Ranger Graham Parker here. Listen, you need to head home immediately. A snowstorm is headed our way, and...
But I can't just abandon the wolf cub in the trap.
Listen, wild animals are used to dealing with harsh conditions. We'll come by and check on them after. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Ma'am, you need to get inside. There's too much interference from the storm. She's somewhere out here, right on this road. I've got to try and locate her and make sure she's out of danger before the storm hits. Zoe, I hate to do this, but I'm going to need you to stay here. I've transferred the phone calls to another post until Brian gets here with more men. He should be here in less than half an hour.
You can count on us, Dad. Right, Lassie?
In theory, everything is under control here. You just have to wait. If there's any problems, you can reach me on channel 22, okay?
Okay, Dad. And don't forget to save the wolf cub, too.
I'll do my best, Zoe. I promise. Don't forget to close the shutter.
No problem, guys. This is an easy fix.
Hey, why are you plugging that electric wire there? Where do you want me to put it?
Here, the green one goes with the blue one, and the red one with the green
green one goes with the red one.
for my
and the
paw.
blue one with the white one.
Not exactly my kind of music, but it's a start.
Leave me alone!
Go away! Oh. No!
Hello? Ma'am? Are you there? Can you hear me? Oh no. Dad, it's Zoe. We can hear the wolf cub on the radio, but the lady is no longer answering. Hello? Dad? Can you hear me? Dad, it's Zoe! Oh, if Dad can't reach her on her radio, he might never find her. Oh, Lassie, what can we do? She said she was out on the Paolo Road. That's not very far from here. I know, Lassie, but we can't just sit here and do nothing. And that sounds like a call that needs to be answered. With your hearing and smell, you can guide us to the old woman and the cub in no time. We'll be back before the storm even hits. Dad, I don't know if you can hear us, but we're going out to meet you on the road. Dad, can you hear me?
Yes, Zoe, I hear you, but stay where you are. Do not leave the station.
Well, are you coming or not? Thanks, girl.
Authorities have requested that everyone stay in their homes for the duration of the storm.
Because nothing.
It's working.
Let's find some music.
Hello, Zoe. Do not leave the station. Repeat, do not leave the station.
Isn't that Zoe's dad
I've
speaking?
located the woman who radioed in the distress call. She's safe, but she left the wolf cub when she thought there was a pack of wild animals closing in on the location. Zoe, do you read me? There's just too much interference from the storm.
That means Zoe didn't get her father's message.
And neither did Lassie. Zoe's headed right into the storm. And so is Lassie.
We have to warn
We
her.
have to warn her.
Don't worry, girl. We'll still have time to make it back before the storm hits.
To boost the antenna's capacity, you must increase outgoing power and/or adapt the antenna's size to your transmit.
Ma'am, are you there?
Zoe, do you read me? Zoe, are you there? Come in!
It's okay, little wolf. We're here to help. Well, there's her radio, but where's the old lady? All right, let's get you out of there. Here you go, free.
Zoe, I don't know if you can hear me, but you need to get back to the station right away. The storm is sweeping into the valley now.
Zoe, do you read me?
Dad, Oh no! Lassie! Remember what I said about making it back before the storm hit? Well, girl, looks like I was wrong!
Lassie! Can you hear us?
Oh, well, I sure can hear us.
That's a step in the right direction.
We gotta change the frequency. Step aside. No.
It's no use. I can't see anything out here.
Everything looks completely different now. I don't recognize a thing.
The radio looks completely different now. I don't recognize a thing.
I think the battery's dead.
I think the radio is dead.
We'll never find our way in these conditions. Our best bet is to sit tight and wait for help. If Harvey were here, I'm sure that's what he'd say. Aw, yes, good thinking, girl. You're right. If Harvey were here, he'd tell us to keep moving. I can practically hear him. You should never stay immobile in below freezing temperatures.
Antennas capacity must have full power and or adapt the antenna.
Let's see. If Harvey can't be here, maybe we can just keep trying to think like him. Yeah, what would Harvey do? He'd probably say we should use the sun or stars to guide us, or maybe not. Hey, Lassie! I think I know where we are! We're on the lake! Uh-oh. The lake? The ice? Don't panic. Whatever you do, don't panic. Think. I hear you, girl! I'm doing the best I can! Huh? Oh, no. No, 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 no! This way! Hang on, little cub! We're coming! Thanks, Lassie. Now that we know we're at the lake, there's a fishing cabin somewhere along this shore. We have to find it and get this little guy warmed up. But it won't be easy with all of the snow. The cabin's probably buried. Come on, little guy. Keep moving. It'll warm you up. Come on. Go, go, go. Huh? Hey! You found it, little guy!
Lassie, can you
No,
hear?
Brian. There's nothing we can do in these whiteout conditions. We'll start searching again as soon as the blizzard lifts.
They're abandoning the search?
We've got to find Lassie's frequency and warn her.
Oh, Graham, what about Zoe?
Don't worry. Zoe's strong and incredibly resourceful. And best of all, she's with Lassie.
Unfortunately, I don't know the exact position of the cabin on the lake. Is it north, west? I don't know. We're so lucky we stumbled upon it, or should I say, in it. If we don't know our position, we'll have to spend the night here, and with this cold, what we need is a map or a compass. Aw, there's nothing here. How are we gonna manage without a compass? Oh, I know. If you don't have a compass, you can just make your own. That's the trick Harvey showed me. To make your own compass, you just need to magnetize a piece of metal on your hair. Then you just set it in a bowl of water. And presto, it should point due north! North! It worked! Whoa! Lassie, what's that sound? Oh no, Lassie! It's an avalanche, and it's headed straight for us! Come on, girl! Faster, Lassie! Faster! Hurry, girl!
I found it. Dance music.
This is no time for dancing. We have to save Zoe.
And Lassie. It won't be easy walking through the snow.
Trust me, I'm a rodent. I know all about tunneling.
And where exactly are we tunneling to?
To the ranger station, of course. There's certain to be a base camp for the entire rescue operation there. Maybe we can... Ow! Watch out! There's a rock right there.
Come on, girl, we don't have much time! Lassie, jump! Leave left! No, right! Wow, if only Harvey could see this.
Stop. We're here. I found Lassie. I feel her fur.
Are you sure? Check her condition.
Wow, Lassie seems like she's gained a lot of weight. This isn't Lassie. It's a hibernating bear!
Don't worry. Now that we know which direction north is, we'll have you someplace safe in no time. So, if that's north, then east must be over here. So all we need to do is... What is it, girl? Shh, shh. Please keep quiet. No, stay here. Look, Lassie. That's his mom and dad. Harvey is never gonna believe this. Bye, little guy. Thank you.
Are we there yet? Check. Yes, we're at the station.
What else?
The Rangers are getting the helicopter ready. And look!
I don't believe it!
Zoe! Lassie!
You brought the radio along?
Well, yeah, for the snow party. But how did you plug it in? I didn't plug it in. There are batteries inside.
You mean that thing had batteries? This whole time?
Who cares? Lassie's sick. Just move to the music.
And then the little cub stepped in between Lassie and the alpha male.
That's incredible. I am so impressed by the strength and courage you showed, getting through that storm all alone.
But I wasn't ever alone. Believe it or not, I felt like I had Harvey with me the whole time. In spirit, anyway. But best of all, I had Lassie. And there's nothing better than that.